Hey guys, welcome back to our Ti-Nspire apps. Today I'll be teaching you guys a bit about our step-by-step equation solver. I'm basically going to be showing you guys this app, what it can do, what it can help you with. Basically, if you're taking algebra, pre-calculus, or even calculus, this app is perfect for you for equation solving. So let's get right into it. Why not? Menu. So like our other apps, this app is organized into several chapters, which then are organized into sections. So if we start at equations, let's do a simple one. Solve any equation or inequality. If we make this one 20 instead, boom, answer is right there. Let's make this a bit more challenging. Why not? If we make this 40, 7, x equals 200. Done. Answer is right there. Pretty simple. If we go back to menu, if we go back to this one chapter, we have solve 2 times 2 system. So let's make this a 5. Why not? So if we go up, we immediately get our answer. And we show you how to do everything step by step. And we stress this so much because this is the way you'll learn and grasp our concepts of math rather. So if we go down here, we have our final answer. Beautiful. Okay, let's go back to I think it's 8 instead. Same thing. We just everything is step by step, and the answers are right here. Okay, back to menu. Let's do functions this time. Just going down the list. Let's do this. So you're given 2 points, and you have to find midpoint, distance, slope, equation, given 2 points, P and Q. So you're given 2 points, and you have to find all these things. Don't know how? Plug them in, and you are done. Okay, so midpoint, right over here. We give you the formulas, we plug them in, we show you how to do everything, and then we give you the answer. If we go down here, we also have distance, slope, point slope form. This is the formula. We plug in the numbers in for you. And then we have slope intercept form, formula, answer. And then standard form, formula, answer. Okay, and if you forget to plug in a number, it won't really do it right. So it's just showing you that you have to put in another number, because now you have a more, I guess, accurate answer. So if we're going back to menu, we have exponents and logarithms. We usually have a little section where you can read about some of the newer concepts, and logarithms is definitely one of these newer concepts, especially the exponent rules too. Here we explain everything, give some examples. Everything is right over here just for you guys. And then we have solve an equation. We recently just did this, so it's 11, answer is right here. And then we have evaluate logarithms, base b 10, y equals 100, sorry. So we make this 100, right over here. Answer is right there. Make it 10, 1, make this 1,000, 3, done. And then we have base conversion, and then there are all these conversions over here. Convert from any base to base 10 steps. So let's just make this 2. And then everything is right over here. Final answer, done. So this app is really just for equation solving, inequality solving, as we see over here, complete the square, do a quadratic equation. This is all for solving equations. For equations, algebra, functions, exponents, and logarithms, base conversion. Of course, if you need help, we are always here for you. We are your best friend, and you can go to the help about section, and we have sections where you can go to. If you are interested in this app, you can go to www.Ti-NspireApps.com. You can purchase the app there, and if you are a student in high school and college, we have other apps that cover different areas of math and science, such as physics made easy, statistics made easy, finance made easy, chemistry made easy, algebra made easy, calculus made easy, calculus made easy, and we have apps that also cover or help you prepare for SATs and ACTs, sorry. And these are the scores you get on these tests are pivotal in getting into college. So yes, check those out too. Thank you guys so much for watching.